tsunami, if I am talking about, I'll give you a note on it. आप उसी को फॉलो कर लेना, या 1 पेज का नोट मिलेगा, ओनली 1 और मैक्सिमम 2 पेज का, एंड देन योर कवर इट विल गेट कवर्ड. Whatever you want to note down, that you can note down. Okay? And most of it already, most of the things you have done. First I said that tsunami, or many, if I have said that who causes tsunami, perhaps you remember reverse fault, thrust fault. याद है when I was teaching you this kind of fault, because they used to uplift the water. Understood it? Tsunami, if I am saying that it is in a sea seismic wave. Sea seismic wave. Yes, समुद्र के अंदर जो earthquake आता है उसके वजह से जो wave create हुआ. And better to say it is in a series of sea seismic wave. Not only one, it is in a series of sea seismic wave. One or series. And it is known as a jet wave. Or better to say, I said that. Better to say jet sea seismic. The reason behind its speed is 700 to 800 km per hour. तो सोचो, if इंडोनेशिया में सुनामी आया तो it has to take some times to reach India. If it is happening in Indonesia, then it is some time it will take. What is the speed? If the length of 2,000 kilometer, then how much time take? 3 hours. So only we have 3 hours to what is move away from. Getting my point? So it is a tsunami. Its speed is. समझ में आ गया? Why it is known as jet wave? And generally it affects कोस्टल पोर्ट्स में, हार्बर्स जहाँ पे बहुत सारा पोर्ट्स, तो चलो कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है. If there is हार्बर्स where there is shelters of what I said that ships and all, वो सारे, so because of this it is also known as a harbor. कभी फोटो देखा है आपने? हाँ, सारे टूटे फूटे ऐसे पड़े रहेंगे. One of the highest economic loss. लेकिन हाईएस्ट इकोनॉमिक लॉस वो हमारे लिए, मतलब हाईएस्ट नहीं कहूँगा मैं, वो तो एक क्या है, कुछ भी नहीं है. इफ विल कंसीडर द जीडीपी ऑफ इंडिया, देन नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. हार्बर वेव. सो व्हाट आर द नेम्स आई सेड दैट? सी सिस्मिक वेव, और इट इज आल्सो कंसीडर्ड एज अ सी सीरीज ऑफ सी सिस्मिक वेव. एंड आई सेड दैट जेट, इट इज आल्सो नोन एज अ व्हिच वेव? जेट वेव और जेट सी सिस्मिक वेव. बिकॉज व्हाट इज द स्पीड? Yes, and it is in a harbor wave because it does the largest destruction comparatively. And who affects more? Fishermen along the coastal region. Who affects more? तो उसका भी उसके बेसिस पे नाम होना चाहिए. दिया नहीं तो मैं क्या करूं? Fishermen wave should be there. So these are the name of this wave. Now let us see. आप लोगों को पता होगा when it happens, due to what? आपको याद हो, I said that when the compressional force is happening, then the first fracture and then crack and then it started moving. याद होगा? Then there is a movement of it. And it will uplift the water. And suppose I said that, so this is a reverse fault or thrust fault. Suppose it is in a I said that speed of अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, चलो स्पीड ऑफ सिस्मिक वेव, seismic wave is equals to under root gh. I said that is equals to under root gh. G, you know that gravitational acceleration, and h is the depth of origin of tsunami or earthquake. Yes, which are the earthquake can cause? Yes. So which one? कहाँ पे ये आएगा? Yes, along the convergent boundary. Where it will come? And along the boundary should be there. Fault and not first fault. Understood? Along the convergent, when the ocean continental or oceanic convergence. Yes or not? Which are the two regions? Convergent boundary. Which convergent? It can be, I said that ocean, or it can be, just tell me, ocean continental. Getting it? तो जब ये जा रहा है, if you are going to see, then what will happen? ध्यान से. Give me a book. Sorry. So listen here. Just watch it. क्या हुआ ये? Able to look it? Yes. I said that there is a plate is subducting. Plate is subducting. Yes. It is in a kind of what? Reverse fault or thrust fault? Yes or no? Got it? So, and it is equals to under root G, and H means depth of origin of earthquake. Depth of origin of H means, ये हटा दूं मैं, कहाँ होगा? Where it will be there? Convergent boundary means reverse fault, and then I said that thrust fault. And along which convergent boundary? Ocean or? Yes, ocean continent. And what is the meaning of H? Depth of origin of earthquake from reverse fault or thrust fault. ऐसे strike slip fault होगा, then it will not uplift the water. Understood? Now, G. And then what is the average depth of the ocean? Just raise your hand. What is the average depth of ocean who have ever read about it? Average depth of ocean. Four kilometers. Average depth 3790. How much? 3790 meter. 3790. Understood? Which way I said that? How much the depth? And it can be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. आपने देखा कहाँ पे 11 है? Mariana Trench. 11033. Trenches are the deepest part. Understood? तो मैंने suppose करो it has occurred at 4 kilometer. 3790 का मैंने लिया on an average. It can occur at 5 kilometer also. It can occur at 6 kilometer. अब मैं देखने जा रहा हूँ what should be the speed? What is the value of G? Tell me. हाँ, very good. लगा. मतलब 9.8 लिखेंगे तो फिर what नहीं लगेगा? Yes. आप करते कैसे थे? Solve. 9.8 से करते थे, 10 से करते थे. 10. And what is the depth? 10 को क्या लिखोगे आप? 10 meter per second square. Acceleration है, and then 4,000 meters. So it will become what? 40,000 meter square per second square. 40,000 meter, and meter become what? Meter square. And 4 का अंडर रूट क्या होगा? Yes, 2. And 4 zeros के लिए क्या जाएंगे? 2 zeros. So what is the speed of tsunami? 200 meter per second. If it is occurring at the depth of and multiplied by 18 upon 5, it will convert into what? Kilometer per hour. So 540 and 18 4 jo 720 किलोमीटर पर आवर. समझ में आ रहा है कितनी स्पीड है? इफ इट इज अकरिंग एट समझ में आ गया? व्हाई डिड आई से दैट इज इन अ जेट वे? Shall I remove? Now this is in a water. And then I said that this water has been, I said that it is in a put. यहाँ का water उठा. This water has been uplifted. This water has been uplifted. And now this water has been uplifted. Understood? Clear? And when this water has been uplifted, final this layer has been uplifted. ये layer उठा. जब ये लेयर उठा तो इसको बैलेंस करने के लिए दिस लेयर ऑफ वाटर हैज व्हाट? गॉन डाउन. दोनों तरफ से इस जगह के पानी ऊपर आने के लिए दिस वाटर विल गो डाउन. इसका मतलब सडनली देयर इज एन वाटर, फिर अगेन दिस वाटर विल फॉल डाउन एंड देयर इज एन फॉर्म. एंड ये वाटर जब यहां से हटा, इट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड एंड इट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड फ्रॉम विच रीजन? From, and this water will come here. Yes or not? It means they started creating in a what? One wave this side, one wave this side. Yes or not? They will be able to create what it is in a. ये पानी फिर गिरेगा and then it is, and I said that it is creating in a wave, creating in a wave, creating in a wave, and this side. So this wave will be only one side and all along the origin of this. Everywhere it will spread. Everywhere it will spread. Understood it? So if we can be able to see, like I said that, और जब ये दिख रहा है अंडर रूट GH, एंड जब यहाँ पे वेवलेंथ ज्यादा दिख रहा है, एज इट इज कमिंग नियर टू द कोस्ट, वेवलेंथ इज रिड्यूसिंग बट एम्पलीट्यूड इज इंक्रीजिंग. यस और नॉट? एम्पलीट्यूड ऑल ऑफ यू नो ना. 9th and 10th I am teaching you. Amplitude is increasing, means height is increasing, potential energy is increasing. And so this wave is originating, it means it is moving in all the area. Yes or not? It is not in one direction. And it has been originated from here, Sumatra Island. चलो. और यहाँ पे जब इनिशियल पीरियड में व्हाट हैज बीन हैपनिंग इन 2004 and in the 2012, 2 times of earthquake occurred in the Indonesia. And you know that which plate is going down? Indo-Australian Oceanic plate. All of you know na? Which plate is going down? Below the Eurasian Oceanic plate. Yes. And it has gone down. और जब ये देखा गया, when it is subducting, the initial period में everyone said that, every geoscientist said that it is a subduction of Indo-Australian Oceanic plate below Eurasian Oceanic plate. Everyone said that. And the earthquake magnitude is what is an 8.9 in 2004. Lekin slowly they come to know about little later, yes it is subducting below. Yes it is subducting below. Lekin ye, suppose it is an Eurasian Oceanic plate, it is an Indian Oceanic plate. Yes, Indo-Australian. लेकिन बाद में पता चला कि इस यूरोशियन ओशियानिक प्लेट से एक प्लेट टूट गया, एंड दैट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड. इट्स नेम इज माइक्रो बर्मा प्लेट. इट्स नेम हैज बीन गिवन एंड इट्स लेंथ इज अराउंड, आई सेड दैट 200 किलोमीटर. कितना? What did I say that length? इतना बड़ा plate has been broken and then uplifted, and it was a part of Eurasian oceanic plate. It has been uplifted by, I said that 15 meter. By how much? And that you can see like that is in a thrust kind of fault. Yes, reverse or. So when the one plate is subducting, then there will be enough, and that will release the energy, and it will go into the first deep in the deep ocean.